Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on a 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe. This is the hybrid model with SS body kit, black metallic paint and blacked out Chevrolet emblems. We also have our Cadillac Escalade rims, front and rear privacy tints, heated seats, and backup camera. Now moving on to the interior of the Tahoe, we'll take a look at the door panel, which features our soft touch black foam, close handle, chrome door handle. You can also see our heated seat options located on the door, 3 settings for each. Then we have our lock and unlock button, rear window lock, window and mirror controls, power mirror fold-in, and then our speaker and storage just below. We also have Bose speaker tweeters in the A-pillars. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and manual recline. And then off to the left of the steering wheel we have our daytime running light switch, interior dimmer switch, and 4-wheel drive system. Gauge cluster with hybrid badging. Center of the steering wheel we have our Chevrolet bow tie, and then off to the left we have our radio controls with volume tucked behind. Cruise control off to the left of the steering wheel, and the wheel itself is wrapped in black leather. Gear selection stalk with manual shift option, and our odometer controls are located off to the right. Infotainment screen with our CD player, volume control knob, and seat can select, as well as an auxiliary input. We have our navigation. You can see our source. And we also have our integrated backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Below we have our dual zone climate controls, and then we also have our 2 12-volt charging ports, as well as pedal adjustment, park assist, and traction control. Center area we have 2 cup holders and storage, padded leather center console lid with phone holder. Inside of that we have plenty of storage room, full felt lined. Again, the front seats are heated and featured in black patent leather. On the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar controls. Above that are 3 garage door openers, dome lights, as well as our sunroof and moonroof controls for our sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now moving back onto the exterior of the Tahoe, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims, which are off the Cadillac Escalade, featured with our Cadillac badging in the middle, and our chrome pieces around the spokes. We also have our SS badging on the side, paint match mirror caps, and door handles. You can see a white front tint and dark rear privacy tint to add to the black aesthetic of the vehicle. We also have our blacked out rear taillights, SS and Tahoe badging in the back, as well as our blacked out Chevrolet emblem. Open up the liftgate and we'll find inside plenty of storage room, our folded down rear 50/50 split. Then we have cup holders off to either side and a 12-volt charging port. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Tahoe, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which also features our chrome door handle, window switch, close handle, wooden trim, speaker and storage. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have the rear climate controls. We also have our auxiliary inputs and AV inputs, as well as a 12-volt charging port, and then our fold-out cup holders. Overhead we have our DVD player for the rear, Panasonic. And then we have our rear 60/40, featured in black patent leather, with fold-out center seat featuring 2 cup holders. And in the far back, currently folded down right now, is our 50/50 split bench. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.